Hello. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, officer. I have my citizenship interview today. Can you help me with it?
Sure. Can you tell me at what time is your appointment?
The interview is on 11:30 p.m.
Okay. Please give me your USCIS appointment letter and your ID.
Sure. This is my USCIS appointment letter and these is my ID.
Everything looks good. Now please put all your belongings into the bin and walk through the metal detector.
Okay, sure.
Preview.
Now you can proceed towards the customer service. Before leaving, please take your belongings. Here is your appointment letter and your ID.
Thank you so much.
Please take the elevator to the second floor and the USCIS customer service representative will guide you once you arrive there.
Okay, got it.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I am Pamela Cruz and I am here for my citizenship interview.
Okay, can I have your USCIS appointment letter and your green card, please?
Sure. Here is my appointment letter and my green card.
Okay, great. Please stand in front of the camera. I will take your photo and fingerprints. Please face the camera. Now can you please put your left index finger on the scanner for me, please? Preview. Great. Here is your appointment letter and your green card, and here is your waiting number.
Thank you so much.
Please have a seat. Our immigration officer will call your number and name.
P12. Miss Pamela Cruz.
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Emma, and I am directed to conduct your interview today. How are you doing?
I have been preparing for this interview for many days now, and I am feeling kind of nervous about it.
Don't be nervous about the interview, you will do great. Please follow me now.
Sure, officer.
Please come in and remain standing. Before you sit down, I need you to take the oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Good. Please take your seat.
Thank you.
Do you know, what did you just promise?
Yes, I promise to tell the truth.
Can you show me your appointment letter, your green card, and your state-issued ID?
Sure. Here is my appointment letter, my green card, and my ID.
Good. Now tell me why you are here today.
I am here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to be an American citizen?
Because I want to be an American citizen and I want to vote in the next American election.
Good. Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I have been waiting for this day since a long time.
Why do you think that you are eligible to become a United States citizen?
Because I have been a legal permanent resident for more than 5 years now.
Did anyone come here with you?
No, I came here alone. I took a cab from my home.
I hope you know how to use a tablet. There is a tablet in front of you. From time to time I will ask you to verify or sign a few documents. Do you have any questions before we start?
Yes, I need to make a few changes in my application form. Should I let you know now?
Okay, let me know of the changes when I will go through your application form.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
Now, First, we are going to do the English reading and writing test, and after that, we will move to the civics test. Now, read the sentence on the tablet in front of you.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States?
Good. Now, write the sentence on the tablet, which I am going to read to you. Terrorists attacked the United States. Great. You passed the English reading and writing test. Let's do the civics test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
In the civics test, I will ask you up to 10 questions, but if you get 6 answers correct, I won't ask you any more questions. First question. What movement tried to end racial discrimination?
It was the Civil Rights Movement.
Second question. What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Third question. When do we celebrate Independence Day?
We celebrate out Independence Day on July 4th.
Fourth question. What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
Fifth question. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Speaker of the House becomes the president.
Sixth question. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress?
The Senate and House of Representatives.
Excellent. You got all the 6 questions correct. So you have passed the civics test. Now, let's move on to your application. Earlier you said that you have to make some changes in your application, so just let me know.
Okay, got it.
Can you confirm your current legal name for me, please?
My current legal name is Pamela Cruz.
Have you used any other names before?
No, never.
Do you want to legally change your name at this point?
No, I don't. I am okay with Pamela Cruz.
Okay. When did you become a permanent resident?
Since April 12, 2012.
Can you confirm your day of birth, please?
Yes, it's January 16, 1991.
And where were you born?
I was born in Spain.
What is your current address?
George Street, Hilton Block, Washington, D.C., 91457. Actually, I moved here after I submitted my application form. Can you update it for me?
Wait. Let me update this. And is this also your new mailing address?
Yes, it is.
Can you tell me your phone number?
It's 691-828-2526.
So you were in Spain before. What did you do in Spain before you came here?
I am an economics student.
Great. And what about now? Are you currently employed, or you are still studying?
I am doing my PhD and simultaneously I am also working in a financial.
How long you have been working there?
For about 2 years now.
Okay. Now, can you tell me about your marital status?
I am single.
What is your social security number?
268-493731.
On the application form, you have mentioned that you traveled outside the United States 2 times in the past 5 years. Is that correct?
That is correct. But I need to mention about another trip that I made after I submitted the application form.
Okay. Can you provide me with more details about the latest trip?
My trip was on October 10, 2021. It was an educational trip to Europe. It was for my PhD purpose.
How long was the trip?
The trip was for 15 days.
Can you provide more details about the purpose of your trip?
As I said, it was an educational trip. I went to Europe to attend seminars on behalf of my institute. The countries that I visited were Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know all of this. Let me update that. Now, let us go over some questions from the Part 12 of N400 application. Have you ever claimed to be a United States citizen?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever registered to vote in the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution?
No, officer, never.
Do you know the meaning of a mental institution?
It is a hospital where people with mental problems are kept for treatment.
Did you ever get any traffic tickets?
No, not till now.
Have you ever failed to file your taxes or owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No. I always file my taxes on time.
What does overdue mean?
It means to delay or to be late in doing something.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated with a terrorist organization?
No, I never have.
Were you ever involved in not letting someone practice his or her religion?
No.
Did you ever recruit, enlist, conscript, or use any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed force or group?
No, never, officer.
What does enlist mean?
Enlist means to sign up.
Have you ever been involved in or in any way with genocide?
No, officer.
Are you currently a member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Have you ever sold or provided any weapon to any person?
No.
What do you mean by a weapon?
An object such as a knife, gun, or bomb.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No, officer.
Define the word arrested for me, please.
The word arrested means to be handcuffed by the police.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, I never have.
What does procure means?
It means to find or buy someone for sex.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I am.
What are non-combatant services?
Services that do not involve combat or hiding.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am willing.
What is a civilian direction?
A direction from a person who is not in the military.
Do you promise that everything you have said is true?
Yes, I promise that everything I have said is true.
Miss Pamela, congratulations. You have passed the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now, please review the updated application one more time to make sure everything is correct. And if everything is correct, then sign and date at the bottom.
Everything seems to be correct.
Good. Do you want to take the oath ceremony if it is available?
Yes, that will be great.
Okay. We do have an oath ceremony at 4 p.m. today. Please fill out the N445 form and answer all the questions, then sign and date at the bottom. And you need to surrender your green card today.
Okay. I understood.
Well, congratulations. Your interview procedure is over. Please wait in the waiting area. You need to wait a while before the oath ceremony.
Thank you so much, officer.